Hazrat Abu Idris Khawlani narrates that he heard Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu say, a row broke out between Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu displeased Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, and Hazrat Umar resultantly left him infuriated, whereupon Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu followed him and requested him to forgive him. But he did not excuse him, rather shut his door in his face. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu appeared in the court of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu says, we were also sitting in his company when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this companion of yours has come after having brawl with someone. The reporter narrates, later Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu felt regretted at his behaviors and came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and narrated Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the whole account. Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got angry, whereas Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu kept on submitting. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have committed something wrong. Whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, will you abandon my such companion? Will you forsake my such companion? Undoubtedly, I said, O people, I have been commissioned to all of you as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but you all said you tell a lie. But Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, you speak the truth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4640.